Carter, are you ready for this business?
Yep.
Where's your helmet?
Helmet.
Get the chest protector on. Carter, chest protector first.
Carter, you're gonna love it. You are so good.
Hey, unbuckle that, buddy. It'll come off easier.
No. I like
Come here, Carter.
got it on backwards. Is he putting that on backwards?
I'm pretty sure you have Aiden's riding shirt on and Aiden has yours on.
I know.
I know. That's okay. It's okay. Was I awesome out there?
Yes. Even Carter said you were awesome. I like the price tag hanging off the chest
Here, Carter,
protector.
Let me help you with your helmet.
Hey Carter,
Buckle.
give me the sign. Okay.
Come here.
Aiden, tell me how you liked it.
Look.
Here guys.
I liked it so much I had to take it for a lot more spins.
That's okay. Ruby, get back.
It was way too fun.
Okay. Really, when you're riding, don't put your legs down, put your legs up.
You gonna come sit by me, Aiden?
Yeah.
Carter needs a cheer squad. Yeah, I'm gonna send it to him.
Because if your leg drags and you wreck, it can break your ankle. So we want to keep our legs up on here. Okay, Aiden? You had them dragging down a little bit, and that's why I was hollering at you, was to keep them up on here.
I was turning like, aren't you supposed to put your legs down?
No.
I'm just going to turn it this way.
No.
Why don't you think? Uncle Jake was
Say,
on the
Uncle
road.
Jake,
Go to stop.
why do you put your legs down?
Uncle Jake, why do you put your legs down when you turn?
Because Aiden, when he was stopping, get off on the other side. Put your leg up over. He was bumping down.
Hi Lola.
I don't want you like that.
Okay.
I do.
Oh my gosh. Oh shit. Oh.
There he goes.
There he goes, back in the backyard. I gotta go
He's kidding.
Where'd he go this time? That was fun, but
Oh man, that was hilarious. That's ride number 1.